Hey guys, what's up? It's Katie here and welcome back to my channel. This episode is going to show you guys a fun 4th of July cocktail drink. A little healthier spin on a mojito. Why are we doing like a Mexican drink for 4th of July? I just thought of that. Anyways, as we all know, we get fit to get lit. I might have had a shot before I filmed this video. So here's what you'll need. A little bit of ice, or a lot of ice. Raspberries and blueberries, just because of course it's red and blue. 4th of July inspired, duh. Some mint, it has good flavor. Sparkling water, not club soda, because club soda has calories. So, sparkling water or seltzer water. Then I'm using some food dye, just literally 1 drop because we like to be festive. I'm probably gonna use the blue. And then I'm using some rum, a lime, and of course, again, festivity. These are the instructions, really, really basic. I'm gonna just get some ice, basically a bartender, put in my seltzer water, add in the blueberries, and at the end, you guys can muddle the fruit so they get a little bit of flavor out of them too. Add the raspberries. Already looking pretty. And then I'm gonna take my mint, take it off the leaves. We don't want the stem. And just put it on in there. Alright, and then some lime. I'm actually just gonna do 2 squeezes of half a lime, so 1, squeeze it on in there. And then I'm gonna muddle it with the American flag. Is that like wrong to do? Maybe I'm not. I'm gonna muddle it with a straw. So, muddle it just like this, perfect. And then I'm gonna do 1 shot of rum. I'm doing 1 shot, you guys can do half a shot, 2 shots, it's 4th of July, America. All right, cool, cool, cool. Here's the fun part. I'm gonna do 1 little drop of blue dye. All right, blue dye and just touch of it. Perfect. Literally 1 drop. Oh, that looks so dope. So cool. And then I'm gonna garnish it to be extra festive. I'm gonna garnish it with some raspberries. Perfect. And then stick an American flag in your drink. And happy freaking 4th of July. Let's get lit.